Yeah.
You can leave like corduroys on, but
I
they're
know.
itchy.
Dot, dot, dot.
That's all right.
See how smart?
Yeah.
I see.
Did you do one for your mommy and your dad?
He's still
Well,
working on monkeys.
I asked Michaela if she was drawing a cardinal on hers. The first one, she said no.
Oh, wow.
You're being a hand model right now.
Good, because that's my strongest half. My hands.
You want to put this one on?
It's got your name on it.
Why are you walking like an usher?
Walking like a bride.
You're pretty,
this?
aren't you, Kayla?
Just like me? Just like me?
That looks like half the Pee Wee Herman dance.
It does kind of, doesn't it?
He's,
Different
he
generation.
might be a little young for Pee Wee Herman.
Crazy.
Nice job.
Good job.
Do they really do that on Fortnite?
Yes, it's called boneless.
It's called boneless?
Boneless.
Boneless? Like a chicken wing? Like a boneless chicken wing?
Perfect. Now I'm gonna wrap it so you can look at you.
Oh, you gonna put it there? Oh, okay. Wow.
Like right by the star.
Chris, it's talking to you.
Where everyone can see.
Michaela.
That's right.
He says hi.
A little heavy.
Yeah.
Teddy's favorite because he plays
They
Fortnite.
share Fortnite.
Oh.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Do you like it? Do you like it?
Merry Christmas. Aww.
Elf.
What's up, Buttercup?
It is you, Teddy. I knew it was you. How are you doing?
Good.
Yeah, high five. Good
I've
job.
seen your little elf.
Oh, you take care, all right? And when you order something, get some. Hello, Stephen. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How about you, Sam?
I'm doing wonderful.
All right.
I couldn't stop by without saying hello.
Well, I appreciate that.
Looks like you had your lunch.
I am working on it.
Oh,
Cups and salad.
I know that's what Mrs. Claus is feeding me right now because she doesn't want to make me new soup.
That's what my missus is feeding me too.
You're doing a good job there. I'm
I'm
impressed.
trying.
As soon as you need a job, you let me know. We need some help there at the North Pole.
Will do.
We're kind of like a family since we've all been here so long, so it was nice to share the moment with them decorating a tree. And there's lots of decorations and holiday cheer. Teddy especially always has a lot of decorations, and he's got a little visitor too in his room. Well, my ultimate Christmas gift would be to get a heart and go home and be with my family. I got here on June 24th, so I've been here 172 days, and just days go by hanging out with everybody on the floor and playing video games and watching movies and walking and trying to stay fit, and that's about it. I'd like to wish everybody happy holidays from 3 West at Riley.
Well, we try and, we want the kids to do stuff, so we do stuff with the kids. So it's kind of like, we pull them across the finish line, but, they also pull us. And it's really nice. I mean, hanging out with Teddy and Michaela and Chris and Sandy and all the other kids down here. It's been interesting. It's been a nice experience, you know. Yeah, it's been fun.
How do you think you're going to look back on this?
It's been pretty nice, you know, decorating a tree. I haven't done that in a couple of years. Usually I go to Florida to see my grandmother, so the tree's already decorated by the time I get there. But it's been pretty nice coloring ornaments and hanging out with the kids.
And it seems
Yeah, it'll be a different Christmas, but I mean, it won't be a bad one. There's, you know, there's fun stuff around and there's people to hang out with, so be with a new pseudo family, so. You know, we also do a music group every Wednesday, so we do that once a week, and then, of course, we see each other in the hallways all the time, so. You know, we say hi, do all that stuff, so. I wouldn't call that flossing. Well, I wouldn't call that any form of dancing, so, you know, I don't play Fortnite, so I don't know those dances as well as Teddy does, but, you know, he's got them down pat, especially the little boneless thing he does.
great.
Merry Christmas from Riley in Indianapolis.